Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change the language on Google Photos. If you want to change the language in Google Photos, start by opening the app and tapping your profile picture in the top right corner. Then go into Manage your Google account, head over to Personal Info, and find the Language section where you can adjust your preferred language setting by removing any extra languages and leaving only the one you want Google services to use. And on desktop, it's even quicker because you can right click anywhere on the page and use your browser's translate feature. Then choose the language you prefer from the translate icon that appears so the interface updates instantly. And once that's set, Google Photos should automatically display in your selected language across both mobile and web depending on your account sync. And if it doesn't update right away, try signing out and back in or refreshing the page to force the language change to apply properly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.